Hi, let go, dear one, the unhealed scar. When love is lost in the darkness, its beauty is flawed. As bitterness roots grow in us unknowingly, leaving scars unhealed. The scar is a tissue growth marking the spot where the skin has healed after an injury. Is the scar healed at all? I asked yourself that question. When you look at the scar, it still hurts so bad. It feels like the injury is new. It still hurts for more than 5 or 10 years. But why does it still hurt as much? But the word of God whispered to you today. Let go, dear one. Choose love, not bitterness. Do not let bitterness hold you hostage. Remember, you are a child of God, the servant of love and grace. You have the power to uproot bitterness and choose love instead. Imagine the freedom and peace that comes with releasing grudges and forgiving others no matter what. Envision the radiant light of love filling your heart, shining on others. You are capable of overcoming bitterness and becoming a beacon of hope and kindness. For love is the fragrance of Christ, so pure and sweet. So don't let bitterness taint it like a spoiled street. Let the love of God cleanse like a refreshing stream, washing away the bitterness, restoring the dream, empowering you with His extra grace from above. Let all the bitterness and wrath and anger and clamor and slander be put away from you, along with all malice. Remember, rise above the darkness and embrace the beauty of love. Let go of the past and enter a brighter future, where love reigns supreme alone. So let go, dear one. You got this. Thanks for watching, and always remember to stay joyful. Bye.